Welcome to another tutorial on how to create videos directly from TikTok. Click on the plus sign at the bottom. Then you need to take you to the recorder. Tap the recording button and hold. Record for some seconds and accept using the tick. Once the video is completed, go to stickers at the bottom for it to load depending on your internet capacity. So once it loads, here you can create videos using stickers. So this will replace what you have recorded. So scroll and look for say sun, on the yellow one. So it will populate on your video. Then using your fingers, just expand. Press with 2 fingers and expand them out until it fills with the color on the screen. Then you can pick like this one for heart, the first one, just tap on it. Then using 2 fingers, just expand and position it where you want it to be. Sorry for that. So load again. If you tap outside, the varying animation goes to the background. So you have to reload again. So tap the text and now you can start typing. Type whatever you want to pass as a message. Remember, TikTok is for fun. So this fun can also be used to educate. You can also use it for education, marketing. It's a free platform but has rules. So be sure to check their community guidelines so that you don't post something and your account is limited or even discontinued. Remember, this is where you'll be earning money from. So you just type. Then if you look below where you're typing, there is some settings. The first one is a name. If you tap on it, your text keeps on changing. So where it is filled with a white color, your text will have a background based on the color you select. Then you can tap on it and drag using your finger to position it where you want. So when my video is complete, I need to put a sound, so you can select on sound. So here we'll be using the sounds that are available, especially the recommended ones that will allow your video to tread. So click finish. Then you need to put a description for your video, telling your viewers what the video is all about. You can put hashtags. You can also tag somebody. You can also tag one of your videos. Let's say you're doing a tutorial, you can tag a video as a continuation so that somebody can see the tutorials. You can also put emojis, GIFs. These are just to attract the viewer's attention. Then the additional settings below. This one will come later. Just talk of save to device, so that when you upload the video it's not saved on your device. But if you wish to have it on your device that is on your phone, you can click save to device, then post your video. Give it some time and your video will be live on TikTok and people will be able to start viewing. Here you go. Yeah, let's meet on the next tutorial I will run how you can make money without followers using some of the platforms outside TikTok. I will also be showing you later on how you can make money directly from TikTok. Thank you.